There is one skill that separates every successful person on world from every person still struggling. It has nothing to do with money, talent, or luck. And almost nobody explains it correctly. It's not motivation. It's not hard work. Stay with me because the real answer will change how you plan forever. Why does a to-do list feel so satisfying to write and so disappointing to finish? You write 10 tasks, you finish 3. And you call it a bad day. But did you actually fail, or did you just measure the wrong thing? A to-do list only tells you what. It never tells you when or for how long. So your brain treats it like a suggestion, not a commitment. What would happen if every task had a time, not just a name? Instead of finish report, you write 9 to 10, write report intro. Suddenly it's not optional, it's an appointment with yourself, and people rarely skip appointments. This is exactly what surgeons, athletes, and founders do differently. They don't plan more, they plan narrower. Every task gets a fixed window and a fixed limit, because a task without a deadline doesn't get done faster. It just expands until it swallows your whole day. But if time blocking works this well, why does the plan still fall apart by 11 a.m.? Because you planned your tasks. You didn't plan your chaos, the interruption, the tired slump. The urgent message that steals 20 minutes. Nobody blocks time for that. A plan doesn't fail because you had too much to do. It fails because it had no room to bend. That one skill separating success from struggle. It's the ability to plan time, not tasks, and leave room for the unexpected. Fix that once and you won't need more discipline. You'll just need a better map. If this answered something you've been asking yourself for years, subscribe. Because next, we're breaking the one habit that quietly destroys every plan before it even starts.